Hi guys, and welcome to the tutorial, where we will explain how to connect Porkbun domain to your Shopify store. So let's get started. The first thing is head over to your store, and take a look on the left bottom, you will see your setting icon. Click on it. Once you will click on the option setting, you will get access to your store settings. Scroll down a bit, and here you have to find option domain. Once you see, click on it. Now in the domain section, you will see different options, like connect to existing domain or buy a new domain. So like we have our domain. So we will click on option connect to existing domain. Once you will click on it, here what we have to do, we have to paste our Porkbun domain. So the first thing we will do is we will write www. And now let's jump back to our Porkbun. And what I need to do is here you will see my knowledgebasetutorial.com domain. I need to copy it. After copying, let's jump back to our Shopify, and here paste it. After pasting, click on the option Next. Now you can see it's connecting. You can also get the help of the Shopify by clicking on the option Follow Setting Instructions, and then it will take you to the Shopify helping page. But it will be a bit hard for you to follow, so do like me. Let's jump back over Shopify, and here what I need to do is you can see my domain. Let's jump back to our Porkbun. And here you can see my domain. Below you can see the option DNS. Simply click on it and I'll scroll down a bit, and here you can see quick DNS config. Below you will see some services. So from here you have to tap on the option Shopify. Once you will click on it, you can see it successfully added. And after it'll add some A name and C name records by itself. Of course these are correct. We don't need to change anything. But if it's different on yours, then add it like me. Once it will be added, jump back to Shopify and click on the option Verify Connection. Know if you see this option, no need to worry because it will take up to 48 hours. So what you need to do is you just came back and tap on the option Verify Connection and do it until it will be completed. Now you can see it's saying SSL pending. If I copy this and paste it in the new tab, you can see the domain point to Shopify, but is not configured properly. As I said, no need to worry because it will take up to 48 hours, like 2 days. So you have to wait for 48 hours, and after it came back, and check it. And that's it.